difference between a man and a boy?
No.
Well, I'll tell you, I'll answer that for you. A real man carries his money in a purse like this.
Oh.
So let's see what Sean did say I was from Northern Ireland, and appropriate to that, let's see what I've got in my little pot of gold here. I have 6 25-cent quarters. And in fact, these are some of the older quarters in that they have George Washington's head on one side and an eagle on the other. And that eagle means that these coins can fly. I'll show you what I mean. Watch. 1, 2, 3 coins in this hand, 3 coins in this hand, right? Now all I have to do is I squeeze, I toss, and I catch. And now we see that I have 4 on my right and 2 on my left. We'll try it again. 1, 2, 3, 4 coins in this hand, 2 coins in this hand, and again I squeeze, again I toss, and again I catch. And now we see that I have 5 on my right and 1 on my left. I can tell you're all very impressed with this one. One more chance to catch me. 2, 3, 4, 5 coins. Just 5 coins. Are you satisfied, sir? And ma'am, your name is? Christy, could you take these coins? I would like you to make a fist, turn it over, excellent, and I'll take the last coin, and if I toss, invisibly it travels through time, space, bone and flesh to join the other coins in Christy's hand. You had 5 coins, right? If the magic happened, you should now have how many?
6.
Go ahead, count them onto the mat. Let's see what we got. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Hey, it's strange but true. Strange but true. Okay. Okay, so I was in Arkansas recently. Anyone here been to Arkansas? Anyone from Arkansas, by the way? God, thank God for that. Thank God. I won't have to change it to Mississippi. But anyway, I was in Arkansas recently, and I had breakfast at Cracker Barrel. Oh, and by the way, if you ever go there, I highly recommend the Uncle Herschel's favorite. Delicious. But anyway, after breakfast, I went up to the till to pay my bill. And when I was up there, I actually asked the lady if I could get change of a 20. But when she counted me my money, she counted it kind of funny. So this is what happens. You counted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 5's 10, and 5's 15, and 5's 20. And I thought, shortly after leaving, I thought that was a little weird the way she counted that. I'd better double check. So I counted 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Hang on a second. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5's 9, and 5's 14, and 5's 19. And I thought, I knew it should rip me off. So I went back into the restaurant and I said, excuse me, ma'am, but I should have $20 here instead. I just have 19. She said, well, that's amazing. That's amazing. She said, that would be the first mistake I've made in 40 years. Well, I thought that was a little weird, given the fact she only looked about 30. But anyway, she counted it again. She counted 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. And I thought, okay, ma'am, do you mind if I count that in front of you? She said, no, go ahead. So I counted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 5's 10, and 5's 15. Hang on a second. 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. I said, look, ma'am, I'm meant to have $20 here instead of just the 15. I don't know what's going on. Are you trying to rip me off? And she said, well, sir, that would be amazing. That would be the first mistake I've made in 45 years. Well, now I knew I couldn't trust her since a moment ago she told me she'd just been working there 40. But anyway, she counted it again. She counted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 5's 10, and 5's 15, and 5's 20. And I said, look, ma'am, I don't know what you're doing, but you're doing something. I'm a magician, and I recognize prestidigitation when I see it. She said, well, sir, obviously you're not from around these parts using big words like that. She said, if you were a real magician, you would be able to make money appear. So she said, why don't you count it again, and this time make money? Well, never being one to fear a challenge, I counted again. I counted 5, 10, 15, 16, 17. She said, now don't forget to do the magic. 18, 19, she said, now do the magic. So I did the magic. And I finally got my $20. Okay.